reception, it's Miss Sert here. I hope you're all good and I hope you're all keeping safe. So today I thought I'd make Play-Doh and I hope you can all join in with me. So the ingredients that we need is 2 cups of flour, half a cup of salt. You also need a cup of hot boiled water, but we need to remember an adult needs to help us whilst we pour this hot water because it can be very hot and dangerous. Next we need is 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, doesn't matter what kind of oil it is. 2 pouches of cream of tartar. This can either be 2 packets like this or it can be 2 tablespoons. Some food colouring. This can be any food colouring. You can have green, pink, blue, yellow. Depends on what colour you want to make your Play-Doh. I want to make my Play-Doh blue. Are we ready, reception? So first we need to add in our 2 cups of flour. 1, 2. Oops. Next, we need to add in our half of cup of salt. And with our spoon, give it a bit of a mix. Now we need to add in 2 tablespoons of oil. So 1, 2. Now give that a bit of a mix as well. Now we need to add in our 2 packets of cream of tartar. 1, 2. And give that a mix as well. After giving that a mix as well, now we need to add in our hot water. But we need to remember we need an adult when we are adding this in. After this is added in, we need to give it a good stir. Now that we've given it a bit of a mix, we can add a few drops of our food colouring all around the Play-Doh. Now we need to give it a good mix for a few more minutes, get all the little bits in from the bottom of the bowl. And after we've given it a good mix, we are going to leave it in the corner for 5 minutes for it to cool down so we can knead it. Now that our Play-Doh has cooled down, we can finally put our hands in it, take it out the bowl and give it a bit of a mix with our hands. We can either do this inside the bowl or we can take it outside the bowl. And mix the blue in even more. Now your Play-Doh should be ready to be used. You can make all sorts of things out of these and I cannot wait to see pictures. You can maybe learn your phonics with them, you can do some counting, you can make different creatures out of them. Can't wait to see pictures, reception. Take care.